just ease off a bit here. Start to turn in now. When I see the yellows, that's possibly too early. Apex, watch out for this Subaru on the left. Down into third. And because he's on the left, that means I've taken this turn at a slightly different approach. So we've got to go around a bit slower. And accelerate now. Up into fourth. Dab of brake. Turn in, start to turn further and further in until we get to about here, then start to ease out, accelerate. And then we're trying to stick on the left side of the road for this. So we're in fifth, just went up into fifth. Get to the edge of the rumbles, turn in, brake, 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 down into fourth, down into third, hard braking, and then around. So as they said in the safety briefing, it's the fastest section of the track going into the slowest. So third gear all the way through there. We'll stick in third for here, get up until this point, turn in, hit the apex, power out, feeding over to the left, still in third, up into fourth, brake, 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 turn in here because there's a tiny little white marker on the road that you can't see that says that's where you turn in, although that's the case when you're doing the GP circuit. So we're in fourth, just going through here gingerly, and then out again, still in fourth. Ease off a bit here, just a dab of brake, turning in left, tighter and tighter, hitting that apex, and accelerate out. Over to the left hand side, going to keep in fourth, see how it feels. Up till about here, turn in, apex, and accelerate just before you hit the bend. The water there makes me really reluctant to accelerate any earlier. Say water, just the wetness of the track, and it's not like there's a puddle on there, but you can feel it's moist. So the weather is picking up now, there is definitely more rain coming down. I'm not going to brake or accelerate too much here, I'm just going to hold the accelerator where it is until we get to here, off the accelerator, braking, down into fourth, into third. Get over to the left, ease off, turn right, just feather the throttle. Yeah, that just doesn't feel right, that bit. It doesn't feel right. Accelerate, brake, turn in, late, very late. Still in third. I'd like to know what the car sounds like from the outside, because you hear it shuddering in here. Does it sound like that to people outside? I don't know. Still in third. Up into fourth, not accelerating, just feathering the throttle now.